Well, it's time now for our weekly EcoLogic feature, and as is often the case with these stories, we find that what's good for us is often good for the planet. Now, bottled water, besides being a bit of a style thing for some, is healthy, it is safe, and environmentally friendly. A-Channel's Doug Hempstead shows us an Ottawa company which claims to be an innovator in all of those categories.
Green water doesn't sound very good, but that's exactly what this is. Nelson Water, located near Stittsville, is the first company in Canada to road test a new technology, recyclable reverse osmosis water filters.
The benefit of this particular style too is that it's very easy. The homeowner can simply just take that filter cartridge off and replace the new one, literally within a few seconds.
Many of us have seen similar reverse osmosis systems in people's homes. They're fairly common. Until now, though, the old filters were simply thrown into the landfill, each one of them packed full of potentially hazardous material.
They get everything out, but most importantly, it's the toxic heavy metals, the lead, the mercury, and that. And because they get out of the water and concentrate them, that's what makes them toxic waste by the time they're done, and why we don't want them in the landfill.
It's a matter of logic, really. We want that stuff out of the water because we don't want to ingest it. Well, it's probably not so good for the planet either.
We're going to see a real increase as we get around to each customer. Every customer we see at least once a year. By the time every one of our customers has heard about this, we expect that they're going to be on board for every year after that.
There are any number of reasons why you might not want to get that under-sink filtration system put in. The cost is a big reason. It costs almost $900 to do that. So a cheaper option is to get the bottles and one of those coolers for your home. Even these are recyclable as well. But maybe you're a person that just likes to be seen carrying around one of these bottles of water. Well, the company has thought of that too. Because these you can't reuse over and over again. You certainly can't put them in a dishwasher.
Instead of buying bottled water in the 500 ml bottles, which are, create lots of waste everywhere, and we see everywhere you look, you've got little water bottles in the garbage.
There is yet another key environmental aspect to Nelson Water. It's local.
It uses a lot less greenhouse gas to get it to your location and doesn't put any strain on local infrastructure.
In Ottawa, Doug Hempstead, A-Channel News.
Now you can catch all of our EcoLogic stories just by heading over to our website. Click on achannel.ca, click on the news icon, and then scroll down to the EcoLogic banner.
Is it possible that a single sedan could contain so many improvements? Like more standard equipment than ever before, best-in-class fuel economy, a new elegant interior, and a lower starting price? Well, it is if the sedan also came with a lot of